So if people don't know what ChatGPT is, it's pretty much an AI engine that, it's an AI engine that that helps with prompting with all different types of stuff, to writing scripts for YouTube, to writing copy, all sorts of things, right? I still don't think that it's going to replace people, and it shouldn't, because having real feel is important, but that's not what we're here talking about. Oops, excuse me, I'm so excited. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you guys, okay? You're gonna go to openai.com/blog. Let me see if I can get this in frame real quickly. You gotta try ChatGPT down there. It's gonna prompt you to create a profile, which I've already done, and let me just go over to my profile real quick. Okay, so let me see here. Log in. I'll log in with, okay. And I'm just gonna go real simple and real quick. So these are like prompts and things like that you can work with, right? But that's not what we're here to look at. You see this section, when you get to this tab, you see this section right here. It says send a message. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send a message. I'm a singer-songwriter, right? And I'm like, all right, I need 50 song ideas. Watch this, 50 song ideas. Oops, all right. Ideas about love. And let's just see what it comes up with. Watch this. It's still generating. Okay, so it came up with, I'm just gonna go through a few. One, endless embrace, love's symphony. Now it seems like it's giving me like kind of song titles. And so what I'm gonna say is more song concepts, because it didn't give me exactly what I'm looking for. And that's why this, that's why it's a computer. Okay, so more concepts about love. Let's see if we can see what happens with that. I mean, these aren't like the worst. These aren't the worst prompts. Love's redemption, fragments of us. These are kind of like song titles. Kind of give me like a little bit of song titles ideas, but love's alchemy, dancing in the rain, love's sanctuary. And I can even write something like this: appeal more to urban market. Let's see what comes up when we say appeal more to, that's Ubran. Let's type in correct stuff. Urban. There we go. Urban market. City lights and love. Love in the concrete jungle. Street serenade. Love's rhythm. Urban hearts. Electric love. Neon love affair. That's interesting that's what it ended up doing. Let's type in love. Let's type in something different. 50 love song subjects. Because I'm doing this just right live. And this is what I would do. Okay. That's what I would do to work ChatGPT, right? Like if you saw that I'm thinking about something, I'm getting towards something, and it's not giving me immediately what I'm looking for. And then I type in 50 love song subjects that 50 love song subjects. And here's what we got going on. Boom. First love, unrequited love, which is a big word. And we're gonna look what unrequited means. What do that mean? It means considered to be the same as or equivalent to another customer. Oh, unrequited? Hold up, because I'm learning too. There we go. Of a feeling especially loved, not returned or rewarded. Love that. lost love, forbidden love, long distance love, true love, infatuation, breakup, and heartache, love at first sight, rekindle, love, everlasting love, complicated love, self-love, and empowerment. These are all subjects and topics. Mature love, which I don't know if that's like y'all been together for a long time or that's a young person who loves somebody old, right? Don't know. Love and friendship, healing love, romantic getaway, love and jealousy. I mean, we've seen topics like this talked about already, but if you just were a singer-songwriter and literally just stuck on these things right here and said, okay, I'm going to work my brain and at least just write a song, like 30 seconds, a minute on every single topic, you could potentially have at least 50 songs either started, or maybe you could even say half of those 50 ideas is good. So you got 25 songs. A quarter of those ideas is good. So you got, what you got? 12.5. You know what I'm saying? 12 and a half songs. Well, you've got an album already right there. And that's just, it literally took us no more than, once we got the actual thing of the, 50 love song subjects, it literally took us no more than a few seconds for it to auto-populate. Now watch this. Let's change that love song. What time we got here? 8:28. Okay, I gotta go in like 2 minutes. So let's change that 50 love songs to, watch this. 50, let's see, love. What's some other song topics? What are some other song topics besides love? Let's see, like family. Well, okay, I don't know, because I'm really trying to think about this in real time, y'all. So, we got love songs. We got, we have what's really also important. I don't know. I was about to say breakup, but you pretty much get the idea, right? So you can go all around the world. So, okay, let's say, I don't know. I'm really sitting because I'm thinking about it right away, but okay, boom. Let's say 50 party song subjects. So I'm curious as to what it is. That's not necessarily my main thing, but again, when you are a singer-songwriter and you've got, all types of different aspects of your life, you sing about them, dance floor fever, but let's get loud, celebration time, party all night, right? Groove machine, shake your body, club anthem, dance till dawn. Again, this is not really necessarily my genre. But let's do one more. 50 difficult topics, song subjects to write about. Now let's get a little bit more specific. And I want y'all just to see how this is going, right? See how this is going. Now look at this. Look at what is just auto-populated. And from the 50 difficult topics for song subjects that can essentially evoke emotion and tackle challenging themes. Mental health and depression. We've heard songs about that. Logic, has a song about that. Corday, suffering in silence, addiction and substance abuse, loss and grief, war and conflict. These are 50 more songs. Think about this. How many albums could you have if you wrote songs about all of these topics right here? 50 topics with love. And I'm just going to go through them real quick, because I got to go. Boom. That's the dance stuff. I wasn't really into too much dance because I don't dance, but listen, that's what it is. But back to the 50 difficult topics. Here goes the stuff right here. This is the stuff right here that you should be taking and writing music about. If you don't have songs about these things, write music about them, or even make a little concept of, a concept EP style, or, maybe even album about one of these specific topics. And you just cover, multiple aspects of one area. But here you go. Here it is right here. All right. So I hope that this is very helpful. Look, if this has been beneficial to you, like it, share it. If you want to get connected with me and learn about how you can book a strategy call, music business strategy call, or a songwriting session, or you want to learn more about enrolling in the Breakthrough Artist Coaching Program, which I have, which is one-on-one coaching, tap DM, hey Matty, let's work, or tap the link in my bio, okay? And we can get connected like that. I hope this was amazing for you guys. Let me know what you thought about it. Are you gonna write some songs? Did this get your idea populating? Writer's block is a myth. I'm out. Bye.